If you've ever wanted to reuse a page layout or quickly spin up a variation of a page in WordPress, but don't want to mess with plugins, this guide is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to duplicate any WordPress page using the tools already built into your dashboard. First, open your browser and head to your WordPress site. On the homepage, you'll see the login button in the top right corner. Click it and choose your preferred login method. Continuing with Google is usually the quickest. Just pick the account you use to manage your website and you're in. Once you're inside the WordPress dashboard, look at the menu on the left and click on Pages. This is where all your existing pages are listed. Take a moment to locate the page you want to copy. Choosing the right one matters because every layout detail, block, and setting will be duplicated. Now, here's the key step. Instead of relying on a plugin, you're going to use the built-in editor options. Hover over the page title and click Edit to open it. Inside the editor, click the three dots menu in the top right corner. Look for the option labeled Copy All Content. This grabs everything from the page: blocks, formatting, and structure. Next, go back to your pages list and click Add New. Once the empty editor loads, click into the main area and paste. Your entire page layout will instantly appear in this new draft. No plugins needed. From here, customize whatever you want. Update the title, swap out sections, tweak text, or add new blocks. When you're happy with your changes, hit publish to make the duplicated page live. If you're not ready to publish yet, you can always save it as a draft and come back later. To double check everything worked, return to the Pages section from your dashboard. You'll see the new copy in the list, ready to edit, preview, or assign to menus. And that's all it takes. No extra plugins, no clutter, just a clean and fast way to duplicate your WordPress pages in 2025. If this helped you out, stick around for more practical WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.